guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola and I do all things skincare, beauty and lifestyle. Are you feeling the clean girl aesthetic, the vibe, the queen earrings, the necklace? Everything is given. Welcome back to my channel. Notifications gang, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. And if this is your first time watching and seeing this face, please do not make it your last. Give this video a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel. Trust me, we have fun here. We do skincare here, we do self-care here. Everything is given as it should be. All right guys, so today I'm going to be taking you through this aesthetic that has been trending on TikTok for a while now, and it's called the clean girl aesthetic. And this aesthetic is clean, it's airy, it's confident. Her smile is radiant. She takes care of her skin. She takes her fruits, her veggies. Everything about her is giving life, is giving simplicity and effortless beauty. That is what the clean girl aesthetic is about. Now let's bring it down to your face care skincare routine, which is the first thing or the first segment of today's video. Now, if you're trying to follow this particular aesthetic, you want to keep your skincare routine to as simple as maybe 4 to 5 products and then focusing on maybe 2 to 3 actives. Now let me bring it home for you guys so you can understand. The very first item when it comes to the clean girl aesthetic and achieving that really flawless, effortlessly beautiful face and luminous skin like you can see here is number 1, using vitamin C or using skincare products that is packed with a lot of antioxidants. Now antioxidants not only help with inflammatory issues on your skin, but they also help to brighten your skin. They help to plump your skin. Vitamin C as an antioxidant, especially in a serum, will help to fade your hyperpigmentation marks because you want your skin to be clean, to be beautiful, and to be almost flawless and healthy. So vitamin C is something that you should consider adding to your skincare routine if you're trying to follow this aesthetic. And recently I told you guys that I changed my vitamin C from the Roushun to the Timeless. Now the Roushun has is packed with a lot of oats. It has hyaluronic acid infused into it and just a little bit of vitamin C percentage. So if you're on a budget, the Roushun vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid is about 3,000 to 3,500 or 4,000 thereabouts. This is a very good option for you if you want to add it to your skincare routine. However, if you're on the high end like me and you want to upgrade, you want to enjoy more benefits that vitamin C tends to offer, then consider using the Timeless vitamin C serum here. It is more expensive, but guess what? It gives better results. It is faster. You will start seeing the brightening in like 2 to 3 weeks, and honestly, it just gives you what we call the clean girl aesthetic, because the cleaner, the brighter your face is, the more confident you are, the more effortlessly beautiful your skin actually feels. The very next skincare product that I think you should add to your skincare routine if you're trying to get this aesthetic is hyaluronic acid and using hydrating skincare products. The clean girl aesthetic is not trying to do too much, spend too much on skincare. We focus on the basics and on just 1 to 2 actives. So the hyaluronic acid is a very good addition to your skincare routine if you want to plump your skin, if you want to give your skin life, if you want your skin to have that hydrating and compelling, effortlessly attractive skin, then hyaluronic acid is something you should consider adding to your skincare routine. Goat milk infused body showers and scrubs. And yes, some of you are going to come for me and you're like, okay, Eniola, you're always asking us to buy this, buy that. That's because it's not a one size fits all. Okay, so now I've been using a goat milk infused body scrub, and it just helps to rejuvenate, revitalize, and just add extra moisture and pampering to your skincare routine. Because guess what? To achieve that effortlessly beautiful vibe, you want to make sure that your skin naturally radiates moisture, life, and youthfulness to it. And honestly, goat milk is known for that. It just gives your skin that youthful, compelling attraction to it, and it helps to revitalize and reboost moisture on your skin, and that's exactly what you want. So you can try a goat milk infused scrub. This one from Kuspa is very affordable. I think it's about 1,200. This is the one I'm using actually. depending on what your pocket can afford, but 1,002 is on the safe option, and I think it is something you really enjoy. So when it comes to the clean girl aesthetic, you see on Pinterest all these girls having green mask on, mud mask on, clay mask on. I am wondering, when am I going to join gang? Now, before you just up into this part of the trend, you need to know that clay mask is not for all skin types. So that means if your skin is dry and extremely sensitive, I would not advise you to try clay mask. But if your skin is normal, oily combination, not too sensitive or gets easily irritated, then clay mask is for you, because a good clay mask would help to suck out and remove excess oil from the surface of your skin. It will unclog your pores. Honestly, I've been using this particular one from Topicrem for the past 2 weeks now. My skin game has just changed, because when I wake up in the morning, especially on the night when I use the mask and I wake up the next day, my skin feels absolutely soft and less greasy, and that's exactly what you want. You want to give that effortless, my skin is effortlessly beautiful body oils. And look at my shoulders, it's using body oils. You cannot achieve that effortlessly beautiful, my skin is blended, it's even vibe, if you're not adding body oils to your skincare routine, because you will just be trying you'll be trying hard, you will not be seeing the kind of results that you want to get. Okay, a body oil is just going to help to even out your skin tone, blend your skin, give you that effortless sheen and gleam to it. Your complexion will be glistening. Like when you're coming from afar, especially in the sunlight, people will be like, sis, what are you using on your skin? Honestly, people stop me on the road a lot of times and they ask, especially when I expose my shoulders like this, and they ask me, what kind of cream are you using? Not knowing that it is the body oil. So you can try any kind of body oil that you have. I've done a video on body oil before, but I swear by this one from my brand, the Total Repair Body Oil, and that is exactly what I have on. Honestly, and when you just dress up and you have like this really cute tank top on, it just gives you that effortless vibe and luminous skin finish that just helps to blend your skin. And with continuous use, your skin is blended, everything is even, and you just have that girl is clean aesthetic vibe to it, and that's exactly what you want. Moving on to the next segment, let's talk about teeth whitening and dental care. Yes, you did not see this coming, but since from the title of this video, teeth whitening is important, because the clean girl aesthetic has a confident, radiant smile. And I've done something on oral care before, but trust me, I got a lot of comments down in the comment section of people just saying that I've tried some of these products, it didn't really work for me. Sis, it is time to see a dentist. And your girl actually went to see one. I got my teeth scaled and polished, and honestly, the dentist actually told me that you have a very good oral hygiene. But when he started scaling my teeth and getting in between my teeth corners, I was shocked, because even the odor that I could perceive from my own mouth, I was really shocked. And I'm like, okay, see me doing all this care, not knowing that actually I still have quite a lot of this debris and accumulated stain on my teeth. So it is time to see a dentist. And I know the scaling and polishing procedure is not expensive. So that means that if your tongue is becoming white, no matter how hard you brush it, your tongue is always white and it contributes to mouth odor, it's time to get it scaled and polished. Make sure you visit a dentist. Your HMO, if you work in a 9 to 5, for example, you should have an HMO that has a dentist clinic in it. Go and use that opportunity to get your teeth scaled and polished. And if you don't have an HMO, it is not expensive. With 10,000 naira, your teeth can be scaled and polished and aligned. And honestly, they will even use a stain removal that when you now start using your whitening toothpaste, it will work better. And you have that radiant, luminous, glistening smile. And when you smile and you're like, and your breath is coming out, it is not smelling, because your tongue has been scaled. So your toothpaste is going to work better, your mouthwash is going to work better, because you've scaled your teeth and your tongue. It is important, because I see a lot of people, have you seen people who actually dress well, smell nice, but then when they talk, the mouth odor is contrasting with how they actually look? You don't want to be that girl, sis. Alright, so the very next step that I have under dental hygiene is using a charcoal a toothbrush like this, or a toothbrush that is not so hard. Yes, I've been there before. And actually, when I was done with the dentist, he recommended that I should get this particular toothbrush. It's 700 naira. It is medium to hard. It's just in between. And I just brush twice a day. Honestly, I've started brushing twice a day now before I go to bed and in the morning. And the difference is clear. See, it is clear. Even in the morning, the mouth odor is not chase me away. Do you understand? Because you want to always feel confident in your skin. All right, getting the aesthetic is adding supplements to your health and to your self-care routine. Supplements to your self-care routine. Now, when it comes to choosing a supplement, it depends on the stage of life that you are in. A lot of factors need to be considered. So somebody that is in their 50s, that has had like 3 grown-up children and that is approaching menopause, is going to require a different supplement ingredients from me that I'm 28. I don't have a child. I'm just preparing to get married and all those things. We are in different stages of life, okay? And what we want in a supplement is going to be different. So the very first thing you need to know is this: when you're choosing a supplement, know the stage of life that you are in. I use the Reload Women supplements, this particular one, and sometimes I go back. If I don't see this one, I go for the Healthy You. That's the one I reviewed in my like 4 or 5 videos away now. But this is the one I'm currently using, and it works for your hair, skin, and nails. Another thing about supplements is this: if it is not working for your hair, your skin, and your nails, it is not equipped enough. Because as women, we want our skin to look beautiful, our hair to have body, to be thick, to be healthy, to have a natural bounce, and you want your nails to be strong. Some of you have like really soft nails. When you start using supplements that are rich in ingredients that are not really present in your food, trust me, your nails are going to be strong and healthy. So if your supplement is not giving you all that, it is not equipped enough. And if you're in your 50s, I know my mom uses this Centrum Silver Women's Supplement. It is very good. Honestly, if you guys see her, you will not believe that she's actually in her 50s, because she looks really good. It is very important that as a woman, you add supplements to your to yourself. I want to not just be making skincare routine stuff. I want this my channel to have a variety of video options for anybody that is here that does not just want to focus on skincare, to be able to watch and also enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up. Kindly share my video to your Instagram story or to your story. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll talk to you guys in the very next one. Bye.